Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Kitos Creations YouTube channel. So in this video I will be telling about 3 updates of YouTube. So make sure you watch the full video so that you don't miss any updates. So the first update is you can save your own videos from YouTube directly to your gallery. So I'm showing you how to do that. So first click on your videos and after that click on any video in this 3 dots, and now you can see this option save to device. So after you save it, you will be able to see it in your gallery. I'm showing you. So you click on this, you can see it got saved in your gallery. Second update now. So the second update is while you upload your videos, you click on this option plus and create a shot. Now you can see that there is one option called effect. You click on this option and you can see multiple options like mirror side. You can see motion, trail. This. So the third update is that you can now add voiceover to your YouTube video directly from the YouTube app. You have already seen this thing in Facebook Reels. Now this option got add to YouTube also. Update currently it is being rolled out to US users. Slowly it will be rolled out in other countries also. So this is a short video. You make sure pinned comment in the comment section and watch the full video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.